Hello guys, today I'm going to share a project using the gorgeous Lindy spray to create a Victorian guitar for you. It is very easy and very elegant and I hope you like it. I got this guitar, mini size guitar from the dollar shop. It is from the toy section. They have many choices of toy like this, so I suggest you go to toy store or something like that to find things that you can order. Because we are going to use several types colors of sprays afterwards, so I concentrate of using different size of elements to create different texture so that the sprays will spread beautifully. See that I start with a very red color spray, Poinsettia Red Gold first. Please don't be afraid of red color because usually we don't use them unless in the Valentine's Day, but actually red is very easy to use and combine with other colors. You will see how it will come out with the effect I'm going to carry on right now. Especially use several types of Lindy's Moonshadow Mist here because it has the sepia tone underneath, and when it mixes with the red color base, it will become something very vintage yet very elegant and gorgeous. I used the magical shaker bag, forest bag here to use as a highlight. It doesn't need to be very dark black color, but just a little bit to let the texture and the edges stand out. I hope you like what I did with this project, using the red colors combined with other gold color and make this gorgeous guitar. It will come in handy from now on in the winter season because we are going to use so much gold and red color. I hope it inspires you. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting Lindy's. Bye bye.